I'm Linda Lupini.
And I'm Darwin Sauer.
Last year we announced the PHSA Plus Awards to recognize our dedicated staff who provide province-wide healthcare solutions every day. And we had over 70 nominations.
And we shouldn't have been surprised by the volume of nominations. After all, we have people working across PHSA who are dedicated and who excel at their work. Still, we were a little worried because it was the first year of the awards, and we were asking people to take time out of their day to nominate a colleague, and we know everyone's very busy at what they did.
We really didn't need to worry. We had over 70, and the caliber was overwhelming. They were inspiring, and we did give the judges a really tough time in selecting the winners.
Yeah, and the judges themselves, they did a great job. They selected 4 winners, 2 individuals and 2 teams for the inaugural award. And the winners were announced last February at the Leadership Forum and were profiled in the weeks following in PHSA News.
They were, and we also produced videos on the winners, and actually we should take a look at those right now. We've got Dr. Karen Buehler and Devin Hae, our 2 individual winners.
I'm Karen Buehler. I'm head of the Department of Family Practice at BC Women's Hospital. There's 2 things I love about my job. The first thing is I get to attend births. For 30 years, I've been helping women through pregnancy and becoming mothers, and it's just a wonderful experience to see women at this fantastic juncture in their lives. The second thing I love about my job is improving care. I work in an environment where everyone is trying to make changes and improve. So we're constantly learning from each other, we're trying new things, and we really support each other in that. So I get to help one woman sometimes, and other times I get to help thousands of women. It's easy to have engagement if you just create the right atmosphere. Family doctors naturally want to engage. They engage with their patients, they engage with their co-workers and team members. So as long as leadership, we provide opportunities for engagement, it will just happen.
My name is Devin Hae, and I'm the Program Manager of the BC Online Sexual Health Services at the BC Centre for Disease Control. Through the program, we really aim to empower people with the knowledge and the resources that they need to make the decisions and take the actions to do what's best for their own sexual health. It's important that we take a different approach to sexual health because there's still so much stigma and anxiety that people have around the topics of sexual health and sexually transmitted infections, that we really need to develop innovative ways and creative ways to meet them where they're at and to meet their needs and to meet the needs of a wide range of people.
I think what's really inspiring is that the winners, the individuals, they represent a lot of the staff across PHSA. A lot of staff have achieved so much and they care so much and they're so passionate, and these winners exemplify that.
They do, and they go above and beyond, and I think that's why we wanted it to be the PHSA Plus. They go above and beyond because they really care and they're making a difference. I liked what Dr. Karen Buehler said, particularly about engagement. You create the environment and you're engaged and people become engaged around you.
Spoken by a true HR professional, but it is true. And watching their reaction and knowing what they achieved, it's infectious.
It is. And I particularly like that Devin Hae talked about going where the patients are, and that's particularly important at PHSA when we're trying to provide province-wide solutions. We're going where the patients are.
And always keeping the patient in focus and putting the patient first.
For sure. Very inspiring.
And the winners of the team awards are equally impressive. Let's take a look at the videos for the Health Literacy Team and the Heart Is Project.
The Health Literacy Team provides supports, services, and projects related to mental health literacy across the province of BC, including things like mindcheck.ca, Kelty Mental Health Resource Centre. I think that we've been very successful in providing children and youth and families in British Columbia with effective, evidence-based information and resources which have really changed people's lives in terms of access to services and to things that they need to understand mental health issues better and to get the help they need. The team is, I think, exemplary. I think it's because of the uniqueness of the skills they bring, their passion and enthusiasm for the work, and their real inventiveness about resources and services and bringing things to the public.
My name is Heather Harps,
And I'm Dr. Jim Abel.
and we're part of the Heart Is team, which is within Cardiac Services BC. Our objective was to bring together a diverse group of individuals and develop an information system that captured the entire patient journey, including managing access through waitlist, capturing the procedural data real time, and also providing really value-add data for reporting outcomes and research.
As a clinician, as soon as we went live with Heart Is, my day-to-day workflow was immediately improved and made more efficient. Yeah, it was a great multidisciplinary team model for program development. And I think we're used to hierarchical structures, and we left those at the door. We're all on the same level. Everybody listened to everybody else, and we made rapid change, got things done quickly.
We're continuing to grow this. This is not the end of our story. We are continuing to refine and grow, and all of our members that have helped us have agreed to stay in. So those relationships turned out to be long-lasting, and I couldn't be prouder as a team lead.
And again, we have another impressive set of winners. What I took away from this and what I found interesting is what we all know, but what is good to remember from time to time, that in healthcare, team is very important, and working together is very important for patients and to deliver quality care for patients.
I saw that as well, and the cooperation, collaboration, these were multidisciplinary teams, and they looked like they enjoyed working toward this outcome together. I liked what Dr. Abel said about he himself found great efficiencies after, but it was also a win for the patients in terms of improvement. It was great.
And the point you made about working together, when you look at the nominations and the winners, and a lot of the other nominations as well, it is clear that these people love working together as a team. They like each other, and they get along, and that results in good results for patients.
It does. The health literacy was particularly interesting because it was very innovative. Again, we had the teamwork, but it was evidence-based, and again, that's one of our important values at PHSA, that we provide evidence-based care. So that was great to see as well.
Yeah.
Darwin, I really enjoyed watching the winners again. I'm really looking forward to this year's nominations, and that's actually what we're announcing here, is that the second annual PHSA Plus Awards begin on October 17th.
And the process is simple and easy. We're asking people to look around, see who best exemplifies the award, and complete a nomination. And if they want, they can add to that nomination by being a little creative. They can use poetry, video, pictures, whatever means they want to explain why their colleague is deserving of the award. However, nominations will be closing on December 20th, so if you're going to do that, I think people should get cracking right away.
Yes, I'm really looking forward to seeing the nominations this year. We're looking for peers to recognize their peers. We are looking for people who exemplify PHSA values and who are really workplace heroes, who are really making a difference, going above and beyond. We look forward to receiving the nominations, and by the way, if you have feedback for us on PHSA Plus Awards, please email us. It was a wonderful award process, and we ended up with 70 awards. No, God, stop it.
And the ceremony went on for 4 days.
I'm Linda Lupini.
And I'm Bill Bixby from The Incredible Hulk. Hi, I'm Sean Penn.
Oh my God, Darwin, we're pathetic. Okay. Okay.
impressive. Let's take a look at the videos for the health literacy. Oh, don't start that. Don't start that.
Sorry. It's really funny to see somebody say the same thing to you 18 times in a row. Okay. Okay. So I'm looking in that camera.
There were some
announcing-
awards and they were really good.
Woo! We did it.